Hello guys, Mike here. Today we're going to scrap this little electric race car here. It didn't come with the remote, so I couldn't see if it worked or not. And then the battery's in there, but the charger, I'm not sure if this is the charger here, but I'm guessing it is. It says nickel cadmium racing pack. See, and the battery's here. Lift and slide. I guess this is the battery here, and there's 3 more there, probably for the receiver. Fast charge, slow charge. So I'm guessing you would just put it here and charge it. Yeah, this was the charger for it, but there's no remote, so I decided to scrap it instead of testing it out. I mean, there's no point in keeping it. So we had a nice little battery pack. Here's some more batteries. Some AA's. Take those out. Alright. I'm guessing here we're just gonna have a motor in the back, a motor in the front to turn these. And I'm guessing that's going to be about it, so let's get into it, see what we get. Plastic fell. Alright, let's take the cover off. Let's see. Alright. What the hell? That always works. So that's the top there. The trash. A few more screws here. The control board. Not soldering. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clip all these ends off. Two big ones left here, and then I'll just clip these other little smaller ones. We're done. Oh wait, one more. Nice low grade board here, so I'll just probably take these and the heat sink off. Here's a crystal, throw that over there. So I'll just throw this with all my other boards. Made it. Alright, so I'm guessing there's just going to be 2 motors here. These other cables go to the charging, the battery pack, I mean. This is for the on and off switch. So I'm just going to cut those. That for the battery. These go to the electric motors. Cut that. Cut this. The other battery pack. And let's see if we can get these motors out. They're in like these little ports. Maybe I could take the whole front part off. The whole front part. This is the little motor that turns left or right. So you might want to take that off. So there's going to be a little motor inside of there. And then there's one big motor. Well, not that big, but I guess if you take it off on this side. Man, I don't have my hammer with me, so I'm just gonna beat the shit out of it. That worked. I got it off. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. And this is just gonna go in my ferrous. And then we have another one here. It's gonna be the same crap. So I'm just gonna beat the shit out of it. Right here. Ha! There's the other motor. You can throw that with ferrous or plastic. 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 Alright, so we trying to hurry up before the battery dies. So we got a little bit of number 2 insulated. 2 electric motors. Positive there's one in here. Alright, sorry about that, guys. My camera died, but I was able to get out the little motor that was in there. That was it right there. So we got 3 motors. A little bit of some copper cable, some batteries. I don't know what, I'm not sure what this one is. Probably nickel cadmium or something. Yeah. Okay, so all we have left now is the charger here. Let's zoom out. This charger here, I'm gonna do it real quick. I have a anniversary to go to in like 30 minutes, so I'm probably gonna be late. Oh well. I guess this one's gonna be a little hard to get to. Let's see, yeah, see, it doesn't reach. That one doesn't fit, it's too pointy. So I'm just gonna, let's see if we can get this one off. Oh, what the hell? That one's the same, so I'm just gonna cut here and break it. Like that. And then just get another screwdriver. Let's see, we use this old one here. Try to get underneath the board. And then get a bigger one. I just broke the board. It's a low grade board anyway, so it don't matter. Alright. This makes scrapping a lot funner than just taking all the screws off, you know what I mean? Alright, so see, it's a low grade board, nothing fun. So it's, I guess, alright if you break it. One more hit. Now we're scrapping. Alright, get that wire out of there. Plastic. Alright, just threw everything everywhere. Alright, let's clean this up a little bit. Snip. Snip. Low grade board. Some copper bearing stuff. A little bit of aluminum heat sink, so I'll just throw that over there in the board bin. Alright, clip this end off. Alright, some insulated wire there, number 2. I'm going to strip this because it's easy to strip. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean this board off, just clip off the wiring. And I'm just going to clip it here. Nothing too interesting. There's looks like there's no silver contacts, so you can bend these back. It's just little lumps or bumps in between, so there's no silver contacts, so there's no point in taking any of these off. So I'm just gonna leave them on there, throw them with the plastic. Alright, so some more low grade transformer. There's some chips here, and that's about it. Nothing interesting. So throw that in the board bin. Alright, put all this wire here. Batteries. Just insulate it. These motors. And that's all you get. If we had the charger, you probably wouldn't get anything else, or much more than just a few wiring and a low grade board. So I mean, yeah, I don't think it was worth it taking it all apart. I would have just thrown the whole car like that with my ferrous material and just throw it in there. Don't even worry about stripping that. Probably take the battery off, and that's it. And maybe cut the wire off the charger. Yeah, that's all I would have done. So it's up to you guys. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.